All right, holla at your boy, people. It's your boy KP from KP Reptiles, and we back up in the studio today. But we got our main guest. We got GT, the beast from the east. We got him chilling on the floor, and want to go ahead and take him outside to get a walk, and do a little bit of handling, people. So holla at your boy. We're gonna go ahead and get him outside. All right, there's no easy way to pick him up. We just lift him up, and we'll catch you people outside. So holla at your boy, people. All right, check it out. We're trying to get out here. We almost made it. With our GT trying to bite. Oh. All right, there we go. GT. Look at him. Right? He not gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it. Holla at your boy. We out here, made it out here in the sun. Look at that. Right? He really comes alive outside of his tank. Right? You want to get to a nice sunny spot where you can get nice and warm. Right? These common snapping turtles need to spend time on land sometime. GT like to spend time on the floor in the studio a lot of his time. I put him out there on the floor. GT will walk around at night. Whoa, GT! I still love you, even though you're a little rowdy. You see how he snaps, but he doesn't really snap at me? What's up? You coming? You coming for the camera? Get some. See, he don't really want to snap the camera. He's curious to look. But I have my hands right here, you know what I mean? You see how long his neck is? He would have been able to get me by now if he really wanted to. Check it out. That's all he want to do is check out the camera. He doesn't really want to bite anybody because, you know what I mean? He couldn't do nothing with the stuff he bite. Right? Like he could really eat a piece of my hand. All he's going to do is hurt. So, holla at your boy, people. We over here handling GT, the common snapping turtle. What we could try is we could try a stick, right? Put a stick out there. Nope. Nope. Oh, baby. See? He got the stick, but he hit the stick. He didn't even clamp onto it. So, I mean, that could have been my hand. That's why you don't see me put my hand in front of his mouth. Because, you know, any reptile, any creature with a mouth could bite. So, holla at your boy, people. This GT, the common snapping turtle. You always know I practice the safest handling techniques out there. Because I'm not trying to lose a finger. So, holla at your boy, Mike. Where is he think he's going? He's starting to dry up because that sun is really starting to do his thing. And the deal is, if they sit in that water, they'll get that algae on the shell, and they'll start to smell really bad, you know. So sometimes you got to dry them out to let them get that algae off the shell. And, we're just going to go ahead and let GT hang outside, probably, a good 10, 20 minutes, and then we'll wrap it up and go inside, right? This is all part of handling, and I know he likes to be rowdy, but, as he's getting older, he's calming down. He's getting better with me touching him and stuff like that. Because you see, he's not really aiming. He's just letting me know he wants me to leave him alone. Refrain from touching him. He's a pretty big turtle. You want to come over here, GT? You challenging me, my boy? Nah, he don't want none of this. GT ain't trying to battle me. He's trying to go, I guess, where he wants to go. Alright, holla at your boy, people. We out here handling the common snapping turtle, GT, the beast from the east. Right? We can't let you go in there, dude. Turn around. No. And we let him dry up to, I guess get rid of some of the algae and some of the buildup on top part of his shell. So, this would be the way he gets his exercise. You don't see your common snapping turtle go walking around like this. Gotta have him stretch his legs out. And then I can tell you this, after this, you give him a small bath, and then he'll eat well, he'll eat really good by the time you put him back inside of his enclosure. Or, you know, if he wants to stay on the floor in the living room or inside the studio. So, alright, this has been a moment with the boy GT. Showing us, man, when we're doing a live feeding or something, make sure y'all hit that like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. This has been your boy KP from KP Reptiles.